Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oppo A8 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the security. Then scroll down a little bit to find unknown source installations, and here we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content, and of course we can change it. So for example, let me change it to the Chrome. All we have to do is to tap on this switcher, and your device will inform you that you're doing it on your own responsibility, because some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Simply tap on allow, and as you can see, from now on the Chrome is allowed to install some content. Of course, you can always remove previously granted permissions, just tap on the switcher again, and now it is inactive. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.